Let's see how to set up Linux on the Chrome OS. So if you have the terminal on the app drawer, you can directly click on it. If you do not see the icon, you can go to the settings, and under the advanced and developer you will see the options to turn on Linux, and you need to select a username. So name it anything you like, and in the size option, by default it is set to 10 GB, but we can choose custom size as well. So or according to your partition size you can choose, but I'm going to set it as default, and then I'm going to start the installation process. And now in the settings you will see that we have the Linux option, and inside it we can add some folders that we want to share with the Linux system. And in the app drawer we have a new folder with the Linux. All the applications that we are going to install will be inside this folder. Now the first thing we will do is run this command, and this is going to update all the binaries and repositories. So I'm just running at half the command. You should run this full command. And now I'm going to install Linux App Store. This is going to make installing applications very easy. So run this command, and we can also install apps through terminal, but this way is more comfortable. And we can also install the GNOME based, but I'm using the KDE Plasma. And after the installation you might see this blank screen, like no apps will be there. So we will fix it by running again the update commands that we have ran previously. And if it should fix it, but you can also reboot your device if this doesn't work, but you need to run this command first. And after that you will see that it has loaded all the applications list, and it has a lot of applications. You can browse around. So in this example I'm going to install the Kdenlive, which is a video editor application, and it's an open source and quite famous as well. So it's giving me this warning about it's going to remove something, so I'm going to proceed anyway. The download will start, and you can track the progress. It is going to download and then install it, so it will take some time. And now we can launch the application. So this application has opened up successfully. Previously I tried installing OBS Studio, and that actually failed to start. It has some compatibility errors, so you have to keep in mind that not all the Linux applications are going to work. Some of them may work and may not. Getting Linux support apart from the Google Play Store and Android is a bonus for us, because we get to use certain Linux applications that are not available on the Android, and it provides an experience like the Windows, so it is much more mature in some sense. So yeah, it's a win-win, and you can browse around and install a lot of applications and even some games. So that was it, how you can install Linux on the Chrome OS. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.